This video explains types of car insurance coverage. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and get you the best quote for your location. In this video, we have an essential topic to discuss: car insurance coverage. Understanding the different types of car insurance coverage is crucial for every driver out there. It's like having a safety net for those unpredictable moments on the road. So, let's dive right in and explore the various types of car insurance coverage you need to know about. Segment 1: Liability coverage. First up, we have liability coverage. This is one of the most basic types of car insurance and is often required by law in many places. Liability coverage helps protect you financially if you cause an accident that results in injuries or property damage to others. It's split into two parts: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Bodily injury liability covers medical expenses, pain and suffering, and lost wages for the injured party. On the other hand, property damage liability takes care of the repair or replacement costs of the other person's property, such as their car or any other damaged structures. Segment 2: Collision coverage. Next up is collision coverage. This one's pretty straightforward. It helps pay for repairs to your own vehicle if you're involved in an accident, regardless of who's at fault. Whether you hit another car or an object like a tree, collision coverage has your back. Keep in mind, though, that collision coverage typically comes with a deductible. That means you'll need to pay a certain amount out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. The higher the deductible, the lower your premium, and vice versa. Segment 3: Comprehensive coverage. Now, let's talk about comprehensive coverage. This type of insurance protects you against non-collision related incidents like theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, and even hitting an animal. It's like a safety net for everything outside of accidents. Just like collision coverage, comprehensive coverage also comes with a deductible. Remember, it's essential to choose a deductible that fits your budget while providing adequate coverage. Segment 4: Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Here's something crucial: uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Unfortunately, not everyone out there carries enough or any insurance. If you're involved in an accident with such a driver and they can't cover your expenses, this type of insurance comes to your rescue. Uninsured motorist coverage helps pay for your medical bills and damages if the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance. On the other hand, underinsured motorist coverage kicks in when the at-fault driver's insurance isn't enough to cover your expenses fully. Segment 5: Personal injury protection, PIP. Personal injury protection, commonly known as PIP, is a type of insurance that covers medical expenses, lost wages, and even essential services like childcare if you or your passengers are injured in an accident. The unique aspect of PIP is that it applies regardless of who caused the accident. It provides coverage to you and your passengers, making it especially valuable if you don't have health insurance or live in a no-fault state. Well, that concludes our rundown of the different types of car insurance coverage. Remember, choosing the right coverage for your needs is essential, so take your time and do your research before making any decisions. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.